Practice set 8.2. Example number 6. Find the length of the diagonal of the square which side 8 centimeter. Means this is the quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is the square. Which side 8 centimeter. Means if we know that all the sides of the squares are congruent. If this one is 8 centimeter at that time, this side is also 8 centimeter. This side is also 8 centimeter. This side is also 8 centimeter. You have to find out the length of the diagonal of the square. Means you have to find out AC is equal to question mark and BD is equal to question mark. Means you have to find out length of AC and you have to find out length of BD. Friends, already we learnt about the properties of the square. Which are the properties of the square? First property of the square related to the diagonals are diagonals of the square are congruent. Then diagonal of the square intersects at right angle. Here right angle will form. This one is 90 degree. This one is also 90 degree. This one is also 90 degree. And this one is also 90 degree. Means diagonal of the square intersect at right angle. Then this property you have to utilize. Then another property is that the diagonal of the square bisect each other. Bisect each other means diagonals are congruent, diagonal bisect each other and diagonal intersect at right angle. If you want to find out the diagonal of the square, at that time I will say that this BD is equal to x centimeter and this AC is equal to also x centimeter. Why? Because the diagonal of the squares are congruent. If this one diagonal is x centimeter, at that time this another diagonal is also x centimeter. Another property, the diagonal of the square bisect each other. If this diagonal is x centimeter, at that time this one is x upon 2 and this part is also x upon 2. This part is x upon 2 and this part is also x upon 2. And once we know that this diagonals intersect at right angle, at that time this DMC triangle is the right angle triangle. This side is the hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem you have to say that DC square is equal to DM square plus CM square. You have to utilize the values and you have to find out the answer. So in this way I gave the idea how you have to find out the diagonals. Step by step you have to solve the example. Let quadrilateral ABCD be the square. All the four sides of the squares are congruent. Therefore you have to say that side AB is equal to side BC is equal to side CD is equal to side AD is equal to 8 centimeter. Then another property of the rhombus is that diagonals of the squares are congruent. So I will say that diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. I will say that let AC is equal to BD is equal to x centimeter. This AC is x centimeter and this BD is also x centimeter. Then I will say that the diagonals of the square bisect each other. Diagonal of the square bisect each other. I will say that let by property that diagonal of square bisect each other. If this AC is x centimeter, BD is x centimeter, if you want to find out AM, BM, CM and DM, so I will say that AM, BM, CM and DM is equal to x upon 2. If this whole is x, at that time this will be half of this x. So this one is x upon 2, this one is x upon 2, this one is x upon 2 and this one is x upon 2. So AM is equal to BM is equal to CM is equal to DM is equal to x upon 2. Then I will say that next property, the diagonal. So next property is that diagonal of the rhombus intersect at right angle. Diagonal of the not rhombus, diagonal of the square intersect at right angle. So I will say that angle DMC is equal to angle CMB is equal to angle BMA is equal to angle AMD is equal to 90 degree. If this DMC angle is 90 degree, at that time I will say that triangle DMC is right angle triangle. So side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. I will say that hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So DC square is equal to DM square plus CM square. I will say that by Pythagoras theorem. So BC square is 8 square is equal to x upon 2 bracket square plus x upon 2 bracket square. 8 square is 64. You have to do the square of x also, square of 2 also. Square of x is x square, square of 2 is 4. Here x square upon 4. If the denominator is same, write the denominator only once, add or subtract the numerator. 64 as it is you have to write is equal to x square plus x square upon 4. Denominator is same, so you have to write the denominator as it is. You have to add the numerator. So x square 1x square plus 1x square is equal to 2x square. You have to do the division. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This become 64 is equal to x square upon 2. You have to transpose this divided by 2 that side. That becomes multiplied by 2. You have to transpose this divided by 2. If they will go this right side, left side, at that time that becomes multiplied by 2. 64 multiplied by 2 is equal to 128. X square is equal to 128. You have to find out the value of x. Once you will remove the square, at that time you have to give the square root. At that time x is equal to 128 centimeter. This answer will come. In the book this answer is given 128 centimeter. But if you will factorize this 128, at that time the factors of the 128 is 2 multiplied by 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 2. 2 times multiplication, one time they will come outside. Within this pair 1 2 will come outside. Within this pair 1 2 will come outside. Within this pair 1 2 will come outside. The square root of 2 as it is you have to write, and this will 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore x is equal to 8 square root of 2 centimeter. So you have to say that this is the answer. So if in the book this answer is given, if you will solve like this and if you will find out the answer, no problem at all. This one is also the correct answer, and according to that x is the, therefore AC is equal to BD. Therefore diagonal AC is equal to BD is equal to square root of 128 centimeter or 8 square root of 2 centimeter. In this way you have to solve this example. So try to understand each and every step, try to understand each and every property, learn the property at home, and write all these things in the classwork notebook. Thank you.